Today's class we will talk about preposition. The word which is normally placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relationship of those words or phrases with other words in the sentence with regard to space, time or region. A preposition often does not come before a noun. There might be either determiners or adjectives between them. Here are some examples. We met after class. And second one, we met in the arts class. In these two examples, in the first one, just after means the preposition after the noun class has been used, and in the second one the sentence, the two sentence after means in has been used. So we can say in the above two sentences after and in are prepositions. The noun used after the preposition in a sentence is known as object of the preposition. The sentence mentioned above, the word class is the object of the preposition in and after. Now, stranded preposition. When a noun does not come just after a preposition, the preposition is known as stranded preposition. This comes at the end of a sentence when its object is either a relative pronoun or interrogative pronoun. Words like that, who, which, etc. Here are some examples. He didn't find the book that he was looking for. Object is relative pronoun that. And second one, what are you talking about? In this sentence, object is interrogative pronoun what. Now, kinds of preposition. First one, single word preposition or simple preposition. The preposition which is made of only one word is called single word prepositions. Here are some examples. He is talking about Gandhiji. In this sentence, about is single word preposition. Now, compound preposition. It is made of more than one preposition. Sometimes this may be formed by placing a preposition before a noun or adverb or adjective. Examples: in front of, on behalf of, within, etc. Inside, into. There is a temple in front of my residence. He is standing outside the gate. Now, second one, compound or phrase preposition. When a group of words works as a single preposition, it is said to be a complex or phrase prepositions. Examples: along with, according to, apart from, because of, due to, except for, etc. One example: according to Mohan, the situation is under control. I couldn't go to school yesterday due to bad weather. In other way, preposition can be classified into four parts based on their function. First one, preposition of place. It tells us where something is kept or placed. Here are some examples: above, below, over, under, beside, down, etc. Your book is under the bed. Now, in, and on. These three prepositions are used as prepositions of both either place or time. Here are some examples. In the left hand side, place, and in the right hand side, time. He is standing at the gate and he gets up at 5 a.m. He will meet me at the bus stand. And how many people were at the meeting? The function will take place at 36 Chaurangi Lane. Are you coming at Holi? So, dear students, for today it is more than